Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick, practical update on how to turn on Instagram like and comment notifications so you never miss when someone engages with your posts. This is especially handy if you have been waiting to know exactly where to look and how to flip the switch in a few simple steps. First, grab your phone and head to the Settings app. This is where your device controls all the apps you use from messaging to social media. Once you're in Settings, look for the section labeled Apps or Applications. The wording can vary slightly depending on your phone model, but it's the same idea. Next, scroll through your list of installed apps and tap on Instagram. Opening this page gives you a focused view of all the settings related to the app, which is exactly what we want for notification control. From there, find the Notifications option. This is where you'll manage how Instagram talks to you when something happens. Within notifications, you'll see a few different categories. Tap on notification categories to see the various alerts you can enable or disable. The goal is to turn on both likes and comments on photos of you. When you toggle these categories on, you'll start receiving alerts whenever someone likes a photo that features you or leaves a comment on it. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by notifications, give yourself a moment to customize further. You can adjust the tone, sound, or banner style for Instagram notifications so they're noticeable but not disruptive. It's about finding a balance that keeps you informed without interrupting your day. Now, test the setup. Ask a friend to like or comment on a photo you're tagged in, and then check your notifications to confirm you're getting the alerts as intended. If you don't see them right away, a quick restart of the Instagram app or your phone can help solidify the changes. A small reminder, these steps can look a little different across devices and operating system versions, but the general path remains the same. Settings, apps, Instagram, notifications, notification categories, toggle on likes and comments on photo of you. With that done, you'll stay in the loop with every engagement, making it easier to respond promptly and keep the conversation going.